Hi, and welcome back to the Study Unifees Daily With series. In today's video, we'll be talking about some words that are very commonly mispronounced and also misstressed. First, let's look at a list of words that most non-native English speakers mispronounce. This is data, not data. This is pizza. There's an invisible T just before the Z's. So it's pizza, not pizza. This is genre, not genre. Again, this word is pronounced genre. This word is pronounced air, just like the stuff we breathe. The P in this word is silent, so it's plumber, not plumber. This word is not status, it's status. This word is epitome, not epitome. A suite can be in a hotel or a collection of services or things. So this is not suit, but suite. An entrepreneur is a businessman. It's pronounced entrepreneur, not entrepreneur. Most ironically, the word pronunciation itself is mispronounced. A lot of people end up pronouncing this word pronunciation. However, the correct pronunciation is pronunciation. Now we'll talk about words that are often stressed and pronounced incorrectly. But first, let's understand what stress is. Stress is how you emphasize certain syllables in a word more than you emphasize the other syllables. Most people will pronounce this word as photography. However, the second syllable is stressed, and this word is actually pronounced photography. Again, it's actually pronounced photography. This word is pronounced by many people as development. However, not all the syllables in this word are stressed equally. So it's pronounced development, with the second syllable being stressed the most. Again, this word is pronounced development. This word is consecutive, not consecutive. This word is aluminum, not aluminium. This word is cacophony, not cacophony. Equivocal, which means to speak in a way that is beating around the bush without giving a direct answer, is pronounced and stressed equivocal, with the second syllable stressed the most. Thanks for watching today's video. We'll be back soon with more videos in the Study Unifees Daily With series. Contact Study Unifees for English preparation and also for test prep for study abroad. To contact us, just log on to studyunifees.io. All the best for your plans for the future. Bye-bye.